Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Zoho application on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in download Zoho and click on enter. Here, click on the first link, which is of zoho.com/mail-desktop. After that, click on download for Windows button here. Now select the system architecture, which is 32-bit or 64-bit. You will get a setup file downloaded in a PC. Wait for it to get downloaded. After the download is completed, click to open the setup file. Now you will see something like this. Click on install button here. After the installation is completed, click on finish button. And you can find the application on your PC. Simply click on it and use the application. So that is how you can download Zoho application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.